In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix WhatsApp voice message problems on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Now force close the app. For that, swipe off from the bottom of the screen. Close the app. Again relaunch it, open the conversation and play the voice message. Next thing you want to do is launch your control center. Now here you're going to find this volume bar. Increase the volume to the fullest. Now play the voice message. If the issue continues, adjust your screen time settings. For that, close this, launch your settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option screen time. Head over to the option content and privacy restrictions. Under the allow changes section, select speaker volume limit and change the setting to allow. After making this change, test the voice message again. If none of these steps work, try performing a forced restart on your iPhone. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, volume down button. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, open WhatsApp and check whether the voice messages play properly. Lastly, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and again reinstall it. And that's it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If the issue still persists, it may be hardware problems such as speaker malfunction. In that case, visit an authorized Apple store or service center for further assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.